subs. Today we decided we'd put a video together for people having trouble with blocked sublimation printers or Epson printers. Today we're using the WF-7710. We noticed there was a bit of variation in one of the prints we did, so we decided to do a print head test. As you can see here, we're missing our black and we're missing our cyan. So we decided to go ahead and do a head clean. And after doing our head clean, did another print test and missing most of our colours except for a magenta. So we went ahead and did a flush. We gave the whole system a flush out. By doing this, we had to remove the carriage lid, remove the cartridges. We did some folding of some paper towel. We did it half by half and inserted it underneath our carriage. After this, we basically installed a tube onto our yellow cartridge, as we'd already done the black, cyan and magenta. And now proceeded to inject the fluid slowly through the carriage and in through the heads. Now you do a little bit, move it along, a little bit more, move it along, and each time you'll notice less and less ink coming out. After this is done, we then go on to putting everything back together. So remove the tube, remove the paper, pull the carriage back over to the right hand side, install our cartridges, install our lid and hoses, etc. And after we've done this, the printer will go into an initialization stage where it does whatever it does. And you basically want to go in and we want to do a print head clean. As it shows there, I didn't actually do a print head alignment. But we definitely want to do a clean after doing all this to install ink back into our heads. Once that was done, we did another test page. And as you can see, there was definitely a dramatic improvement. We had our black, our yellow, magenta. It was still a bit crappy on the cyan, but we did a couple more tests and it didn't really get any better, so we decided we had to do another flush on the cyan. So basically what we did earlier, we just pulled everything out again, put a bit more fluid through our cyan side of it and did another print head test, and then did another head test. We had all our colours back again. We had a little bit of a gap there in our magenta, but after a few prints, I believe that just fixed itself anyway. So we hope you enjoyed our video. A bit nervous on it, but it's one of our first ones we've done. But yeah, we definitely hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, by all means, come and visit us.